good. What are you doing now? You're blowing up.
I feel funny. What's happening?
You're blowing up like a balloon.
Like a blueberry.
Somebody do something. Call a doctor.
Sticker with a patient.
Every time they all become blueberries.
You've really done it this time, haven't you, Wonka? I'll break you for this.
Oh, well, I'll get it right in the end.
Help! Help!
Oh, we gotta let the air out of her quick.
That's juice.
Juice?
Would you roll the young lady down to the juicing room at once, please?
What for?
For squeezing. She has to be squeezed immediately before she explodes.
Explodes?
It's a fairly simple operation.
Listen to me. Gum chewing's fine when it's once in a while. It stops you from smoking and brightens your smile. But it's repulsive, revolting, and wrong. Chewing and chewing all day long. The way that a cow does. Given good manners, you will go far. You will live in happiness too. Like